Go!
All right, hi, welcome back. Attorney Steve Vondran here, coming back with another great video about copyright law. Okay, so I have been talking for months, maybe even a year or more, about the Copyright Claims Board in Washington, D.C. This is not a court. This is a Copyright Claims Board. It's got some claims board administrators that basically hear claims of copyright infringement for under $30,000. Okay, so it's a pretty unique court. It just kicked off a couple of months ago. So I want to just kind of show you as I'm seeing this thing grow a little bit. I think there are over 100 cases, maybe a couple hundred by now. But I want to kind of give you a look. If you're looking for a case, you just come here to the Copyright Claims Board and you can look up, you get a docket number. As you can see, there's a case caption just like you would if it was a federal court lawsuit. And over here and whatnot. But I found a claim I just wanted to go over here just to show you what they look like, okay? This is not to opine on the merits of the case, but I just want to show you what it looks like. So you come here to claim, okay? And you could see here, this was the claim that was submitted. Nothing fancy. This is not like a federal court lawsuit where you need to get an attorney or you need to know something about the pleadings to get your case into the system. You know, in federal court, you pay over $400 for filing fees and service of process fees and all this stuff. So this is designed to be streamlined, and you don't actually have to have a registered copyright to file a claim here, which go up to $30,000. But you do have to at least apply for the registration simultaneous with your filing of your complaint. So let's take a look at just what it looks like here real quick. A claim for infringement. Would you like to proceed as a smaller claim? So they have a smaller claims case here. Yes, this person says, here we have what I always thought would be kind of the main types of clients, photographers. Here's a photographer from Medford, Massachusetts. Okay, this is all public record, so I'm not, I don't have any problems with showing this is public record. They are suing the respondent, Island Entertainment, doing business as Spring House Hotel. Okay, you can barely see in here, the person says, I'm the owner, the author of this work. Here's my copyright registration. It was registered in 10/18/21 as a pictorial, graphic, and sculptural dimension, 3-dimension graphic art and photographs. Basically, it looks like a photograph here. The wrongful activity, publicly displaying the work. That's one of the copyright holder's exclusive rights. Reproducing the work. A copyright holder's exclusive rights. Distributing copies of the work. A copyright holder's exclusive rights. We call this the bundle of rights. Okay, so when you have a copyright, the nice thing about it is you get this bundle of rights that you can do whatever you want with. Okay, license it to other people, so forth and so on. Is the infringement ongoing? Unknown. Infringement dates, so they're putting in some dates. Where the alleged infringing acts occurred. The Not Wedding Magazine. So this is a wedding photographer that says, well, wait a second, they're using my wedding photo in their magazine. So if you're a company and you're just randomly picking photos and finding neat things on the internet, finding pictures on Google, man, you're asking for big trouble. I mean, there's, people are tracking their images, reverse image search, they're filing big lawsuits. We do a lot of photo infringement cases. So let's take a look. Describe the infringement, not too tough. You can see this is about it, and the complaint's over. I'm here to collect $5,000 from Island Entertainment and Spring House Hotel. The business took a photograph of mine and used it in 2 magazine print advertisements over the course of the year. They did not have permission or the rights to that photo. I learned when confronting them over the issue that they were about to take out a 3rd advertisement. Each advertisement cost $5,000. They spent money to advertise the business, but did not properly pay for the art used in that advertisement. So especially in commercial cases where you're making commercial use of a photo, and you don't have, let's say, a fair use right. A fair use could protect you from an infringement claim, but we'll take a look at that in a second here. I sent the owner, Frank, an invoice to collect the fees for the use of that photo in a commercial advertisement. He repeatedly refused my invoices and tried to intimidate and shame me for the simple practice of collecting payment for my work and time. When I called again to pursue the invoice after 6 months of it being ignored, he paid lawyers to send me a cease and desist order to prevent me from communicating with his business and pursuing payment. He claims he understood he had the rights to use this photo. He did not. I have in writing that I gave his marketing manager permission to share a photo of mine in social media with an explicit credit to my account. That's like an attribution. No other use case. The permission was in no way granted for them to take out print ads which bring profit to their business and absolutely nothing to mine. The $5,000 sought represents licensing for my work as well as the cost of my time pursuing this unnecessarily long process. Frank should have paid a simple invoice for a product he used, my photography. So here we have a description of harm suffered and relief sought. I would receive multiple inquiries a year and opportunities to photograph weddings at the Spring House Hotel, which I can no longer take because of this issue and the cease and desist their lawyers sent me. Also in good faith, they stole from me. I lost $4,500 worth of business billing hours as a result of pursuing this claim, including all the information gathering and communications with the lawyer. So let's take a look at the ad at issue. I believe this is the photo at issue. One of these two here is the best I've been able to gather.